welcome back. It's Smitha. Today's tutorial is all about your natural lashes. If you're like me and if you don't wear false lashes every single day, but still want your lashes to look long and luscious and curled, this one's for you. I'm going to show you how to keep it looking beautiful throughout the day in just 2 steps. The first step before applying mascara is obviously to curl your lashes to get that curl. But when you curl your lashes the usual way with a curler, the curl will probably stay till you apply the mascara and then it's gone. Instead, when you use heat, the curl stays for a longer time. Here I'm using a hairdryer to heat up the curler. It's pretty much similar to what we use in our hair. We use a heated curling wand to hold the curls in our hair. So I'm going to be heating up this lash curler to hold the lash curl, and please make sure to touch and feel and make sure it's not too hot because you're taking it close to your eyes. It just has to be warm. That's good enough. And then I'm going to use it to curl my lash. And you can see it makes such a big difference. On my right side, I used a heated curler, and on my left, I just used it as is. So you can see the difference in the way it's curled my lashes. The second step is to use something that mimics a hairspray, and that'll be a waterproof mascara. Here I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. You can use any waterproof mascara that you have. While applying, I'm going to wiggle my lash hair and focus most of the product way at the bottom because that's where we want the maximum hold and lift. If you apply it throughout the lash hair, it might become heavy and start falling off. So focus most of the product way at the bottom, and then I'm going to take a dry spoolie and brush through the hair so I don't get those spider lashes and it looks more voluminous and fluffy. That's pretty much it, you guys, and now I'm going to finish up with a coat of mascara in my lower lashes. Of course, that's optional. If you don't want to apply mascara to your lower lashes, you can skip it. Here's a look at the before one more time, and as you can see, my lashes are pretty straight, and here is the after. This has completely changed my lash game, and this is the only way I've been applying mascara, and I've been getting so many compliments. People ask me if these are my natural lashes or if I have natural looking extensions, and yeah, this is the only way I'm doing it. If you plan to try it, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box, and if you enjoyed this video and want to watch more videos like these, please let me know in the comments section below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. You'll hear from me every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday with a new video, and for your convenience, I've listed everything that I've used in this tutorial in the description box right below this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.